So you guys might be wondering why I have a set of vice grips on toe pin. See how there's a little bit of grass right here? If this pin was all the way down, it would end up loading it up and dragging a huge hay bundle along with me. So I always bring these pins up a little bit. They don't really make a short pin. I mean, I could cut this and re-drill it and all that good stuff, but vice grips work just fine. All right, so we got the, I don't know, half the field back here, or that's around half. Got it cut, got it tethered. Today's the second day on it. I cut it yesterday evening. Just didn't get any footage of that, just wanted to go. So we'll let that sit all day today. It's probably 11:30 noon right now. I'll check it about 5 o'clock. If I think I need to hit it again, I will. Otherwise, tomorrow it'll sit most of the day, and then I'll check it, see if it's dry enough to rake. If not, I'll tether it, and then we'll rake and bale on Tuesday. But until we get back out in the field, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, well, I didn't have a camera on when we were doing our square bales or our round bales. Thought it was on, but it wasn't. So I just showed you what we got off the backfield on the round bales. We got 15 or 18 round bales, and then we got 400 square bales. So that's approximately, I don't know, maybe 10 to 15 acres back here. So it's not too bad, but it's not great. So we're gonna go ahead and fertilize and hopefully get a better second cutting. But until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one.